Articles in English grammar, which are mainly a, an and the. We will have a basic overview of these articles. So without a further go, let's get started. So what are articles? Articles are words used before noun and they modifies noun. As they give more information about nouns, they function as adjectives in the sentence. Articles defines whether a noun is used in specific context or general context. There are three articles in English: a, an and the. These articles are categorized in different types as per their usage. Let's look into that now. Articles are categorized in two different types based on their usage: definite articles and indefinite articles. Article the comes in the list of definite article, as it shows uniqueness or specific thing. Article a and an comes in indefinite article, as it doesn't show any uniqueness or specific thing. Instead, it shows that the thing is being said in general. Now, let's look into an example to understand it better. Suppose there is a group of apples in front of you and you are given a choice to eat one of them. If you want to eat any one from it, then what will you say? You will say, I want to eat an apple from the group of apple. Now, suppose you want to eat a specific apple from a group. Let's say the first one. You will say, I want to eat the apple which is at first position from the group of apple. You can notice here that how we use the for pointing out specific apple and an for generalized apple. You can also notice that we have used an and not a for pointing apple in general context. Let's understand why we used an instead of a here. So how to decide when to use a or an? Basically, there are 26 letters in English, out of which 5 are vowels and 21 are consonants. The 5 vowels are A, E, I, O, U. The rest 21 consonants are B, D, F, G, H, I, J, K, L, M, N, P, Q, R, S, T, V, W, X, Y, Z. If a word is beginning with a vowel sound, N is used. And if a word is beginning with a consonant sound, A is used. Please note, we have to check the vowel sounds and consonant sounds. Let's look into examples where we use N before a word. An ant, an enemy, an ice cream, an orange, an umbrella, an hour. Notice the word hour. As H is silent here, hour starts with a vowel sound. So, N is used before the word hour. Let's look into examples where we use article A before a word. A boy, a woman, a horse, a book. These all starts with a consonant sound. Let's look into words which starts with a vowel letter but the starting sound is of consonant. A European, a university, a 1 rupee note. These all letters starts with a consonant sound. So, A is used before these words. That's pretty much it about articles in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. Firstly, we understood what exactly articles are. Articles are words used before noun and they modify nouns. There are three articles in English: a, an and the. Then we learned the two categories in which these three articles are divided: definite articles and indefinite articles. The comes in definite article and a and comes in indefinite articles. Finally, we understood when to use a and an before a word. Use a when word starts with a consonant sound and n when word starts with a vowel sound. That's all about articles in this. Understand the use of article the in English grammar. So without a further go, let's get started. But before we begin, let's first quickly remember what we learned in our previous video related to article. We understood what exactly articles are. Articles are words used before noun and they modifies noun. There are three articles in English: a, an and the. These articles are divided into two categories: definite articles and indefinite articles. The comes in definite articles, and a and end comes in indefinite articles. We use a when word starts with a consonant sound, for example, a book, a European, and an when word starts with a vowel sound, example, an apple, an hour. I will provide the link of previous video in the description in case you want to revise it. In this video, we will understand 5 important usage of definite article the. Before that, we will understand how to pronounce the. If article the is added before words which starts with a vowel sound, it is pronounced as the. For example, the America, the apple, the onion. If article the is added before words which starts with a consonant sound, it is pronounced as the. For example, the big apple, the rounded onion. Let's now look into 5 important usages of article the. First usage is, it is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. For example, he has a girl, the girl wants to become a doctor. You can notice here that we used a for referring to the girl first time, but we used the to refer to the same girl again. Let's look into one more example. I ate an apple, the apple was sweet. You can notice here that we used an for referring to the apple first time, but we used the to refer the apple second time. Let's look into second usage. It is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. For example, my father enjoyed the book you gave him. Which book? The book that you gave him. Let's look into one more example. Let's go to the park. Which park? The park which is known here. So the second use is when you want to be specific about the thing. Let's look into the third usage. It is used when singular noun is used to represent a whole class. For example, the cow is a useful animal. Here we are talking about the whole class of cow, so the is used. Let's look into one more example. The cat loves comfort. Here we are talking about the whole class of cat. That's why the is used. Let's look into the fourth usage of the keyword the. It is used before some proper noun which comes under below categories. Oceans and seas, example the Pacific, the Black Sea, rivers, example the Ganga, the Nile, deserts, example the Sahara, groups of islands, example the West Indies, mountain ranges, example the Himalayas, holy books, example the Bhagavad Gita, the Quran, the Bible. So these are the proper nouns with which we use the before these nouns. Let's look into the fifth usage of the keyword the. It is used to refer to people or objects that are unique. For example, the sun, the moon, the sky, the ocean, the sea. You can see here that these all are unique objects. So we use the here. So these are the 5 important usages of the article the. There are some other usages of the. We will discuss them in some other videos. That's all about the use of article the in this video. Let's quickly revise what we learned in this lesson. Firstly, we understood the pronunciation of the keyword the. It is pronounced as the if it is used before a vowel sounding word and the if it is used before a consonant sounding word. Then we understood the 5 important usage of the article the, which are: first usage is, it is used to refer to something which has already been mentioned. Second usage is, it is used when we talk about a particular person or thing. Third usage is, it is used when a singular noun is used to represent the whole class. Fourth usage is, it is used before some proper nouns which comes under below categories. Fifth usage is, it is used to refer to people or objects that are unique. So that's all about the usage of article the in this video.